Hey again, I wanted to offer a quick tutorial of Cuny Commons because another person requested it. So when you're using Cuny Commons, you should type in our URL. Now, if you don't have that saved, now would be a good time to save it. You should log in. I have mine's pre-filled out, and usually we get something like this. Um, just for your own benefit, if you click on posts, you can, and you click on mine, you can see all of the posts that you've completed. So if you're confused as to whether or not you've completed your necessary assignments, click on mine and you'll see whether you've completed all the posts that I describe in the email. So that's one thing. The other thing is when you see a bubble, that means that someone has commented on your post, and usually that's going to be me. So you would want to view, and then you would be able to read my feedback. So that's just in terms of how to locate posts that you've already published. Now, when you're posting, and I feel like I wish I knew that this was confusing earlier because right now we're kind of winding down on the blog, but in any case, you would click on post and you would type whatever title, you would post, you would type your response, and you would find what category the prompt you're responding to fits in. So character, we did last week. Dialogue, we did the week before. Imagery, we did the first week. We did scene today. Setting, I feel like we also did 2 weeks ago. So you're just clicking on whichever category and then you're selecting publish. I feel like this is really the only confusing part, but let me just make sure. Just so you know, when you're on our site, in addition to locating your posts, you can see other people's posts by clicking on, for example, image, and you'll see everyone's imagery prompt. So if you wanted to read it, offer feedback. So for those of you who were unable to complete all the prompts, but you want to still like bump up your blog grade, I think offering feedback on other folks' responses is a great option. Yeah, so I'm going to leave it at that. And if there are questions, please ask and I can easily make another tutorial.